Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Skrill account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Skrill account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address skrill.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of Skrill. So over here guys, we are on the home page of Skrill. Now in order to log into your account, you will be able to see a login button over here at the top right corner of your screen where it says the login, just beside the register button. Click on that login button, and then you'll be directed to the home login page of Skrill, where you'll be required to enter your email address of your Skrill account with which you have signed up for a Skrill account, and have that enter your password guys, whichever may it be. But if you've forgotten your password guys, you can always reset it from over here where it says you forgot password. If you click on this button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to retrieve your account's password. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password of your Skrill account, click on the login button over here, and then you'll be signed into your Skrill account on your computer. And there guys, this is how to log into your Skrill account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.